apply the empirical rule of methodology. Mean is 80 and standard is 5. So 68 divided 2 equals 34. So kami dali, 34. Then minus 68 equals 13.5. Then sunod 99.78 minus 25 equals 2.35. So tayo mo nabili. 2.35. Then so 800 minus 99.7 divide 2 equals 0.15. Tanggal dali. Kinig mean is 80. The mean is 80. Standard division is 5. So mag-add to 5 dali. 5. Then 90. 95. Count. So, dahil muna sa akin, ma'am, sa left side, pag minus taon 5. So, kada rin 75. 20. 5. And what percent of the second year student has a test score between 75 and 75 equals? So, dahil ang 75, dahil ang 85, so, dire i-plus na silang duwa, so dire ang 68. Ano sa ma'am? Ma'am, that's all. Thank you.